My name is Akil Kareem, and like many other homeowners, my wife and I, over the last couple of years, debated whether or not we wanted to move out of our existing house and into another house, a bigger house, as the kids were growing up, or choose to renovate our existing place. And after a lot of debates back and forth, we decided to renovate the place. The next step was then to decide who we were going to use as a contractor to renovate the place. Our house being our biggest investment, we wanted to make sure that we selected the right partner to renovate the house, because it was a significant investment that we were going to make to renovate the house. We looked at about probably 5 to 6 contractors whom my wife and I met. We went over their detailed proposals on how they suggested we renovate the house. We did our reference checks, and then we finally settled on Sosna. Had the choice of picking, whatever finishes we wanted, as long as we stayed within the scope of the budget that we had outlined at the very beginning. And then the process began. Once the scoping was done, the finishes were selected, the construction began. We were given a timeline for the construction project. We decided, out of convenience, to move out of the house because we were getting the entire house renovated. And throughout the process, they kept us engaged. We kept coming back to visit the house on a weekly basis to see the progress that was being made. But Sosna kept their word as far as the timeline was concerned, as far as the budget was concerned, and at the end of the day, we were extremely pleased with the outcome of the renovation project. If I had to do this all over again, I wouldn't make any changes. I'd go through the same process once again and probably make the same decisions that we made over the several months that this project took. And so, we have no hesitation in recommending Sosna as a reputable, reliable contractor to work with. The quality of their work speaks for itself. Thank you.